Welcome to this tutorial on adding your digital e-signature to a PDF document at the New Brunswick Community College. So the first thing you're going to do is I've got this PDF document here that I need to sign. So all you have to do is right click on the PDF document on your computer and then choose Open with an Adobe Reader. So you want to open this PDF file with Adobe Reader. And you can see that the file opens up here. So it's a file addressed to Tim Toons here from our favorite little town of Whoville, New Brunswick. And Tim has been offered a position here at the New Brunswick Community College. And at the very bottom of the screen, you'll need to scroll down and you'll need to sign the acceptance letter here. So what you want to do is scroll down to where you need to sign it off here so I can see my signature here. And then you're going to go up here under the tabs and select Fill and Sign. And then there's an option here that says Place Signature. So if you click on Place Signature, a little window will pop up here and we're going to choose Drag New Signature Rectangle. So I'm going to put a little rectangle right inside of the box here where I want to sign. So I'll just select right here with my mouse and then let go. And it'll bring up my signature here. Now I have my digital e-signature password protected, which I do recommend. So I need to put in my password here before it'll allow it. And once I've put in my password, verified everything, I can press sign. And then it's going to want to save the PDF file here, the signed copy. So I'm going to call this regular appointment signed. And then just press the save button. And you'll see now that it's added my digital e-signature to this document. So this concludes the tutorial on adding your digital e-signature to a PDF document at the New Brunswick Community College.